Today we are tackling quick woodworking projects perfect for when you need that instant gratification or want to whip up something useful in just a few hours. Whether you are a beginner looking for easy wins or a seasoned pro wanting a fast weekend project, DIY wooden coasters. These are perfect for beginners and take less than an hour. Just grab some 4x4 hardwood scraps, cut them into 1/2 slices, sand smooth, and finish with food-safe mineral oil. Pro tip: use contrasting wood types for a stylish set. Floating shelves. All you need is some 1x6 pine boards and hidden bracket hardware. Cut to size, drill mounting holes, sand, and stain. I can knock out a set of 3 in about 90 minutes. These are perfect for small spaces and add instant character to any room. Wooden phone stand. Just cut a 5x5 piece of 3/4 wood at a 15-degree angle, sand smooth, and add a small groove for your phone to rest in. No glue, no fuss, just 20 minutes from scrap to finished product. Rustic picture frame. Use 1x2 pine strips, miter the corners, glue and clamp. The beauty here is in the imperfections. Distress the wood with a chain for character before staining. Perfect for showcasing your favorite memories. Essential tool tote. Just 5 pieces of 1/2 plywood, a base, 2 sides, and 2 handles. Cut, glue, nail, and you have got shop organization in under 2 hours. Size it to fit your most used tools. These geometric bookends are both practical and decorative. Cut 2 L-shaped pieces from 2x4s at 45-degree angles, sand smooth, and paint or stain. Add rubber feet to prevent sliding. Great for students or as housewarming gifts. Bathtub caddy. Use cedar for its water resistance, cut to fit your tub width, add a wineglass hole and phone slot. Finish with food-grade oil, perfect for relaxing baths and makes a thoughtful gift. Wall-mounted key holder. Just a small wood plaque with some decorative hooks screwed in. Personalize it with wood burning or stenciling. Takes 30 minutes max but keeps you organized daily. Succulent planter. Hollow out a small log or use scrap wood to create a box. Add drainage holes, sand smooth, and finish with outdoor safe sealant. Great for small spaces and adds life to any room. Hand-carved wooden spoon. Grab some basswood or maple, draw your shape, and carve using basic tools. Sand smooth and finish with mineral oil. Surprisingly meditative, and you will use it every day. There you have it, 10 quick woodworking projects you can tackle this weekend. Which one are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know what fast projects you love. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more workshop inspiration.